Chinese New Year is here, ushering in the Year of the Dragon. The dragon, which is the only mythical animal among the 12 Chinese zodiac signs, symbolizes courage, success, and ambition. To celebrate the upcoming joyous occasion, Bovet has created a very special version of its award-winning Recital 26 Chapter 2 timepiece, the Golden Dragon, complete with a solid 18-karat gold hand-engraved golden dragon sculpture. If you have any questions about this timepiece, or about Bovet or Les Ambassadeurs, ask us in the comment section and our watch experts will get back to you right away. But what's better than to see this or any other Bovet in person and deep dive into the world of timepieces at Les Ambassadeurs? You are always welcome to discover this timepiece with our watch experts at one of our boutiques in Geneva, at the famous Rue du Rhône, in Zurich at Bahnhofstrasse, at one of the most exclusive shopping avenues in the world, or in the beautiful city of Luzern at Kappelplatz. In the meantime, we invite you to our web shop where you can explore a wide selection of the latest Bovet timepieces. In 1822, Bovet was founded in 3 places: Fleury, Switzerland, London, England, and Guangdong, China, especially to create the world's most beautiful timepieces. China was the world's biggest market at the time, and Bovet became so famous that the Chinese for Bovet came to mean fine watch. Consequently, Bovet has a legitimate 200-year-plus history creating Chinese-themed timepieces. In 2020, Bovet introduced the Recital 26 Brainstorm Chapter 2 timepiece, which subsequently won that year's Mechanical Exception Award from the Grand Prix d'Horologerie de Genève. The groundbreaking watch features Bovet's patented double-sided flying tourbillon, a world time indicator with an indexable second time zone, and a precision moon phase display, all housed inside a full sapphire crystal case. 2 years later, an 18-karat red gold version joined Bovet's collection. Now, for 2024, Bovet unveils the newest iteration in the form of the Recital 26 Chapter 2 Golden Dragon, which not only retains the timepiece's signature design and mechanics, but also includes a spectacular dragon figurine on the dial. The Recital 26 Chapter 2 Golden Dragon's dial is undoubtedly the main event, and the dragon is the star of the show. A sculpture was commissioned to create the head and body of the solid gold dragon, which had to fit in the spaces between the timepiece's various indications and complications. Once the sculpture was cast, the in-house engravers at Bovet had to carve out the eyes, scales, claws, whiskers, and all the other necessary details. Each sculpture required between 40 to 50 hours of intricate engraving work to complete, finalized with a fiery red ruby set into the eye. The coiled dragon rests its head and upper body on the patented double-sided flying tourbillon, which is positioned at 6 o'clock and partially visible from under the beast. Its imposing tail twists on top of the mother-of-pearl moon phase at 9 o'clock, leaving just enough room for a peek at the display. The top of the dial is home to a domed blue quartz subdial for the hours and minutes display. Adjacent to that, at 3 o'clock, is another blue dome, inscribed with the names of cities to represent the 24 time zones. The V-shaped hand permits the wearer to select the timepiece's second time zone, while the remaining cities continue to tell the time across the other zones simultaneously. In short, this domed disc, which completes 1 revolution every 24 hours, is both a second time zone display and a world time indicator. Powering the Recital 26 Chapter 2 Golden Dragon timepiece is the caliber 17DM06DT hand-wound movement, entirely developed and manufactured in-house. The caliber operates at a frequency of 21,600 vibrations per hour and supplies the timepiece with a generous 5-day power reserve from a single barrel. In true Bovet fashion, the 443-component and 60-jewel movement is sublimely hand-engraved and hand-finished, which we can admire through the display case back, something Bovet pioneered back in the 1800s. We can even catch a glimpse of the delicately engraved dragon through the sapphire crystal on the back of the timepiece, illustrating Bovet's commitment to perfecting even the smallest details. Housing all of these elements is an imposing 46.5mm red gold case in a silhouette Bovet calls a writing desk case. According to the brand, the distinct top-to-bottom slope of the case was inspired by the slanted top of an antique writing desk. The distinct case architecture is particularly evident if we view the timepiece from the side. Note it is thicker at the top and tapers down to the bottom. The dimensions of the case, coupled with the dramatically domed sapphire crystal on top of it, provide the space needed to encase the multi-part dial and complicated movement. Positioned between the two lugs at 12 o'clock is a small aperture for the power reserve, which, as mentioned, stretches to an impressive 5 days. Finally, there's the prominent winding crown at 3 o'clock, set with beautiful, real blue sapphire cabochon. The artistic approach in combination with the highly advanced technical features make this timepiece stand out in various ways. As the wrist comparison shows, it is a timepiece that will draw the attention and will be a bold statement regardless of the occasion. To match the blue details on the dial and crown, the Bovet Recital 26 Chapter 2 Golden Dragon is paired with the blue alligator leather strap. The strap is furnished with a red gold folding buckle for a secure fit around the wrist. Created to celebrate the Year of the Dragon in spectacular style, the Bovet Recital 26 Chapter 2 Golden Dragon timepiece is limited to 12 pieces. Priced at 443,300 Swiss francs, the Golden Dragon personifies Bovet's pursuit of mechanical mastery and extravagant design. We are delighted to have the Bovet Recital 26 Chapter 2 Golden Dragon at one of our boutiques or via our online store, where you can even take advantage of our super-fast flash delivery service. We will deliver any timepiece on stock within 3 hours to any location in Switzerland. What are your thoughts about Bovet's tribute to the Year of the Dragon? Would you wear a timepiece celebrating your Chinese zodiac sign? Your opinion matters to us. Please share your questions, experiences, and thoughts in the comment section. In the meantime, subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to never miss the latest news, releases, and hands-on reviews ever again. Thank you for tuning in, and see you next time.